Solve this question we have on the board. The question says, solve 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power minus s equal to 17 over 4. Now, the first thing we are going to do is to rewrite this. Remember that a raised to power minus n is equal to 1 over a raised to power n. Okay, so we are going to write this to be like this. So we have 2 raised to power x plus 1 over 2 raised to power x is equal to 17 over 4. Now we say, let 2 raised to power x be equal to y. So from here we'll have y over 1 plus 1 over y is equal to 17 over 4. At this point, we're going to leave this to have a common denominator. So we have 1 times y will give us y. Y times y will give us y square plus 1 times 1 will give us 1 equal to 17 over 4. At this point, you are going to cross multiply this times this times this. So we have 4 times y square plus 1 is equal to y times 17 will give us 17 y. Now let's open this bracket. 4 times y square will give us 4y square plus 4 times 1 will give us 4 is equal to 17 y. This is now a quadratic equation. So at this point, we are going to equate it to 0. We have 4y square minus 17 will cross, 17y will cross the sign of equality, change to minus 17y plus 4 equal to 0. At this point, we are going to factorize. So this times this, 4 times 4 will give us what? 16. Okay, now we're going to look for factors of 16. Two numbers that when we multiply we have 16, and when we add or subtract we have what? Minus 17. So we have minus 16 times, we have 16 times 1 and then 4 times 4. And 4 times 4. Since here we have minus 17, there is no way we can add 4 to 4 and have 17. So we take this. Now, considering the sign we have here, we have plus, here we have minus. This is to tell us that we have minus, minus. So that's minus 16 times minus 1 will give us 16. Then minus 16 plus minus 1 will give us minus 17. So we'll add this here, we'll have 4y squared minus 16y minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Now let's group this. What is common here? 4y is common. 4y divides into 4y square will have what? Y minus 4y into 16y will have what? 4. What is common here? 1. Minus 1 will give us y. Minus plus will give us minus 4 equal to 0. Now, bring these two together, we have 4y minus 1 multiply y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here, we will have that 4y minus 1 is equal to 0, or y minus 4 is equal to 0. From here, 4y is equal to 1. Y is equal to, divide both sides by 4, we have y equal to 1 over 4, or y equal to, when minus 4 crosses the sign of equality, the sign will reverse to plus. So we have y equal to 4. Now, since we said that 2 raised to power x is equal to y, okay, that is to tell us that 2 raised to power x is equal to 1 over 4, or 2 raised to power x is equal to 4. Now, we are going to write this again, okay? We are moving from this to this. So we have 2 raised to power x is equal to 4 raised to power minus 1. 4 is a perfect square, so 2 raised to power 2 will give us 4. So we have 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2 times minus 1. Now from here, we have 2 raised to power x equal to 2 raised to power 2. Okay. Here we'll equate the powers. We have common base. Therefore, we are going to equate the powers. We have x equal to 2. Now from here, we have 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 2 times minus 1 will give us minus 2. Therefore, here let's equate the powers. X is equal to minus 2, or here if we equate the powers, x is equal to 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to plus or minus 2, and this will be our final answer.